Tonight, I'm gonna do Choripollo tacos or nachos.
Say
Eat this. Eat this.
Yum. What is choripollo? Chorizo and chicken. I'm going to do some chorizo and chicken mix on the grill in a cast iron skillet. I'm going to do it with some cotija cheese when it's all served up, the crumbly Mexican cheese, and a cantaloupe salsa, which is really good. While I get the barbecue going, let me show you how I did the cantaloupe salsa. Got my skillet smoking hot. Get my chorizo on here first. That's what you want to hear. Get that going. I'm actually going to scoop the chorizo out. It's pretty much done. It could be scooped out now. I'm going to scoop it out. I'm going to put the chicken down in all of its juices and glory. Get our chicken in there. Got about 2 pounds of cut up chicken thighs. A little under 2 pounds actually, but still. About 2 pounds. I prefer chicken thighs. You can use breasts if you want, whatever you want to do. Not going to do a whole lot of seasoning on the chicken. The chorizo is going to kind of season it up a bit, but we will do a little salt and pepper. Oh yeah, you can see where the chorizo scrapings or grease or leftovers is already having an effect on the chicken, giving it some color. That's going to be so good. If you're using a spoon like I am and you're wanting to check the doneness of your chicken, you can simply try chopping some pieces with your spoon. If it's chopping good and cuts right through, you're probably pretty close to done. Again, good thing about the thighs, not only do they have a lot more flavor, but you can't really overcook them. And honestly, in my opinion, they're a little better if you go over the 165 degree mark. If you stop them right at 165, yeah, they're fine. They're technically done according to the CDC. So it's really up to you, up to taste. I like a little crisp on them. Typically I go a bit over 165, maybe even to 180. Once you feel your chickens all done, we'll go ahead and we'll throw the chorizo back in there. I just had one 11-ounce package of the pork chorizo, which should be sufficient for this. Enough to give it some flavor. Throw it back in there. Mix it up. And we're done. Going to take that inside, make us some tacos or some nachos. If you don't know what cotija is, this is it. It's a Mexican style cheese. It's a hard cheese. It's kind of crumbly. So it comes in a big block like this. Break it up like a feta or something like that. So what you do, get your tortillas. If you don't know how to properly heat tortillas, I got a video for that, you know. Thought I didn't? Look right there. Easiest way to heat your corn tortillas. Yeah. Get some of your Choripollo mixture on there, and it smells incredible. Right, Kel?
Oh, yeah.
Can you smell it?
It smells really good. I smell it when you open it.
Yeah. It's good. It's good, right? Right. Get you some of your cotija cheese. Crumble it on there. Oh, Lord have mercy. Get yourself some of your Cantaloupe Salsa. Put that on top of there. Some kind. I'm going to do an extra little sprinkle of the cilantro because I like the cilantro. There you got yourself Choripollo taco with cotija cheese and cantaloupe salsa. I thank you for watching. If you like what you're seeing, be sure to subscribe to Eat This Grinds and Cocktails. Hit the little notification bell down below. Give us a thumbs up. Share it with everybody you know. And what can you say but eat this? Eat this, right? Insane.